Well, hi guys, here we are in Walmart, and boy do they stack it high in Walmart. So we've got buttons, crochet hooks, loom kits and yarn. We've got the glow in the dark yarn, and we've already been putting stuff in like sweatshirts for the plane because it was so cold on the way here, and I bet we have a hot seat on the way home now we've got these. Anyway, look, more yarn. I did buy some, but I wanted to come and check out. They've got some very similar yarn in here, like that one there. I feel was in Michael's. But we got some Red Heart Super Saver, that obviously wasn't there. We've got metallic and all different colours. So we've got Red Heart in here. So it's worth coming to another one because I don't even think I can reach up there. I might need a ladder. I'm not exactly I'm vertically challenged. I've seen this so many times, guys, on your videos, and I've been extremely jealous of it. So here we are. Yeah, once again, kid in a candy store. So here we've got lots of mandala and all these gorgeous colours down here. Price is not too bad, although there was 30% off in a previous experience in Michael's. This is just the price as is. I'm not sure if there are any coupons around, but oh look, there's puzzle. Oh, Premier puzzle yarn. Look at that. That's so soft compared to the one I used before. That's similar to the colour that I made Gary's blanket, only I think his was probably a little darker. Excuse me, gotta get up. Oh, we've been doing so much, guys, so much. I have this in my own store, so I don't need to be looking for that. But yeah, I've been doing so much that my poor legs and feet and everything have taken a pounding. And that's nice. That's real nice. What's that? Hometown. I did see some Hometown. $2. Oh my goodness. Oh my. That is so cheap. Even the Premier puzzle yarn is only just like $5.98 when that cost me a fortune when I made Gary's blanket to get it in the UK. But, you know, if only I had another suitcase that I could fill up. We got cones there. Is that? Let's see what this is. I could just about reach this one. Peaches and cream. Is that concrete and cream that one used to talk about? Concrete and cream? I don't know. I'm not sure. Gary was showing me that kind of, what do you call it? Mink colour with a bit of sparkle. And that looks like some, if I zoom in, that looks like some Lily sugar and cream up there. Not absolutely sure. That seems like it's in the ceiling to me, it's so far up. And then we've got this big ball. I found some gigantic balls of Caron yarn while over there. And seriously, it was so big and so heavy. I did take a picture of it. I will show you guys what it is. You'll all recognise it immediately, you guys from across the pond. This side of the pond, even. This side. I'm across the pond. Confused? You will be. So there is just really one aisle. Not so much to choose from in here. But I did want some really interesting cotton. I was thinking of making a bag. And so I nearly bought some over in Michael's, and I didn't. So I'm glad about that because there's more cotton to choose from over in this store. Even though there's less yarn to choose from, which is... Oh, what have we got over here? Big bags of buttons and sort of patches to sew on. That's a cute button. Got a sparkly pearly button. We've got blocking boards and crochet hooks and stitch holders and all the stuff, the shizzle. But yeah, I'm gonna have some fun soon. This looks nice. You need a lot of it to make anything though, and I can't take a lot of it home, which is unfortunate. But this is women owned. I will find the name of it. Where is it? It's just kind of a chenille heathered yarn. That's pretty though. Look at those colours. You know me, I'm a sucker for rainbows and pastels. We've got the Kobu. The Kobu is cheap. Wow. Not cheap in the UK. This is, oh yeah, concrete cream maybe, I don't know. Is that one? Will have to tell me if that is the concrete and cream. We've got lots of banana in here too. Banana baby. And bloom. Premier bloom. That's nice. Nice and soft. Wow. I didn't believe that I was going to make it, guys. I really didn't believe I was going to make it to yarn shops. I really didn't. I thought that was it, but I figured the Uber was so easy to use. Oh my God, was it easy to use? And I'm definitely going to be using Uber from now on to get about this town, because it costs a fortune on a normal taxi. And there are no kind of buses that I understand. And I can get anywhere. Yeah, I could even get to a Hobby Lobby, because there's not one too far away from here, I think. But I think Gary might have a thrombo if I try and go to another. Even though I did buy him a hoodie, you know, I think he might just go, what? Another? No, he's very nice. He's ever so accommodating, really. So we've got other stuff, bags and bits and that. They don't have a great mass of yarn, but they do stack it high, so I guess it's the equivalent of most places having 2 aisles, because they are quite there was some yarn over in Michael's that I really liked. That was a Karen cake. I only had one, and I thought, all I keep doing is buying yarn and thinking I could make a scarf with that, but you know, how many necks have you got, really? I guess I could make it for someone else, but you know, I've got to think about my case and the weight of it. So, but we've got some interesting yarns down here. What's this? Jumbo, Super Saver Jumbo. Not the softest, I have to say. Tad scratchy, only a little. It's not bad, but I am kind of drawn to this one though. Absolutely. That's another jumbo stripes. Maybe it'll be softer when you wash it. You guys will have to let me know, but well, it'll be a bit late because I'll have bought it or not. Hopefully the stuff that's right up there is just extra of what's down here. I mean, that's what I would do if I was stocking these shelves. But what do I know? Pretty colour, look at that. You know, I like a bit of sparkle, and it's got the nice colour, same colour sparkle as the yarn, which is what I like. I can't turn it. I've got little hands. What is this? Oh, there we go. This is Sparkle Acrylic by Mainstays. Oh, it's Walmart's yarn. Okay. Mainstays, that's what that is. Heard people talk about that. Can you hear the excitement in my voice? It's just like, I'm just like a kid. I really am. So we've got the glow in the dark yarn. We've got lots of sparkly yarn. We've got lots of colours. We've got lots of stripes. What's this one? Mainstays, just a stripy. Well, so I'm going to end the video and go check out all these yarns and have a good squish of them. And you never know. Yeah, I'll show you what I buy on another video. So I made it, guys. I made it to Michael's and Walmart. I'm so excited. Anyway, if you haven't seen my Michael's video, I'll try and put a link at the end to that so that you can find them. But wow, here we go. I'll say goodbye then. Take care.